Buenaventura Section thanks the Educational Activities Board for recognizing its two programs. More than half of the section's 638 IEEE members have 30 years or more of experience in engineering, with 26% being life members.
I'm Jerry Knotts. We started an entrepreneur program about 2 years ago for our engineers, and it has been tremendously successful. We're giving the engineers an opportunity to look into entrepreneurship, and we're also bringing local entrepreneurs in so they get a chance to work with engineers.
This creates an engineering cohort nurturing their technical relevance with an eagerness to be of value to the community. The cause? Aging graciously with technology. This program brings IEEE members and students under the same umbrella to think about solutions to simplify life of their older parents or grandparents.
Exciting, inventive,
changes students' lives.
Innovative, exciting, and unique program.
The parents' reaction to the STEM program has been overwhelmingly surprising in that they are so supportive and they actually want to see more from the program.
The results have exceeded all expectations. In 2018, 556 people attended 25 presentations organized on technologies that can assist independent living, increase mobility, and improve social connectivity. The Girls Make STEM with Heart and 2 youth events attracted 278 students from 12 middle schools and 4 high schools with the partnership of the Ventura County Office of Education and the involvement of several IEEE societies, the Life Member Affinity Group, and the Section Society chapter officers. The Engineer to Entrepreneur workshops gathered in 2018 a total of 130 members over 7 workshops to discuss the techniques and recipes of entrepreneurship. These have been running for 3 years at Hub 101, a co-share space for entrepreneurs under the umbrella of the California Lutheran University and where the university's MBA classes are taught. The enablers? The Buenaventura section wants to recognize the support from the IEEE Foundation that has been instrumental in helping develop Aging Graciously with Technology program. And thanks go to the IEEE Life Member Affinity Group for its funding to the Buenaventura Section LMAG activities to deploy its Engineer to Entrepreneur workshops.